Hello, this is Law Office Ashin. When you get a call for a police investigation, your first worry is usually about showing up. But what's really important isn't just your attitude on the day of the investigation, but how well you've organized the structure of your case beforehand. Many investigations already have a set direction based on the complaint and the evidence that's been collected. Criminal cases differ not by the charge, but by the key issues. For theft, it's about possession and intent. For sex trafficking, it's about payment and awareness. For sexual offenses, it's the consistency of statements and objective supporting evidence. For insurance fraud, the focus is on the flow of funds and whether there was a conspiracy. Even situations that feel absurd are recorded in neat, organized sentences in the police report. That's why we design the order of your statement by breaking down the facts, timeline, and evidence. It's better to structure your response logically than to react emotionally. How you handle the police stage should be prepared with the assumption that it could proceed to the prosecution and even trial. Instead of trying to explain all your grievances at once, it's crucial to first separate what you will admit from what you will contest. We also decide whether to take a case not based on emotion, but on the direction of the evidence, the potential for it to expand into a civil case, and the actual risk involved. Our focus is on helping you understand your current situation accurately, rather than pushing to take on every case. Criminal cases often lead to civil matters. This can involve settlements, damages, and debt issues. More important than just winning a lawsuit is whether you can actually recover anything. We plan ahead to see if it's possible to proceed with asset investigation, seizure, and compulsory execution. A judgment without enforcement isn't a real solution. For real estate disputes or rental fraud cases, we review the contract structure and property rights together. With my qualification as a licensed real estate agent, I examine the contract process and the title registration flow. Family law cases also require a long-term strategic plan, not an emotional response. Divorce, division of property, and child custody must be considered with the potential for future disputes in mind. Cases where immigration issues are entangled with criminal procedures are reviewed as a single, comprehensive flow, not separated into criminal, civil, and administrative parts. We handle everything directly, from consultation to investigation, litigation, and enforcement. Since opening in 2014, following years of practical experience since 2009, we've maintained a focus on clear explanations and thorough preparation. Law Office Ashin handles criminal, civil, family, real estate, and administrative law with these standards. If you need a consultation, please check the video description. Subscribing and liking helps us provide more detailed legal advice.